So I had gotten these Oscars. I got them, bought them together, and they were only about this size, but they were raised together. But one of them kind of started getting more aggressive towards the other one. I was kind of worried about the other one, so I separated them, put them in different tanks. But I just got them some, like, I don't know, some little fish to eat. They're like little feeders, and right now they're, and I bought them some regular food too, because I have to keep up with that. But I just brought it home, so I'll show you what they're doing. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Love you guys.